Oh no.
Oh,
Jamie.
I'm so sorry. Do you want to try my chicken?
so these are the ones we got, or Emma got them for us. 2 times spicy, hot chicken flavour, but they're vegetarian.
Yeah.
Just putting that out there. We got 3.
Don't come for us.
Don't come for us in the comments. Look at the size of them. They're so much bigger than a normal noodle pack as well. Lucky I'm hungry. And this is what you put in. You put this like blood looking thing.
Yeah.
I've watched some videos.
It looks like
That's like chili. Okay, got them cooking.
just season.
So there you are, my
That's
chips.
chili flavour. So that's spicy shit and that's chili flavour. So there's no flavour to this, it's just
I wonder if there are
there's a
people who
chili
actually
flavour.
enjoy this.
There will be people that enjoy it, of course.
Yeah.
There's people that enjoy drinking.
So if I wasn't scared before, now I am. Hot is an understatement. Probably the spiciest thing I've ever eaten in my whole life. Only managed 4 or 5 mouths with a 4-pint jug of milk. I'm gonna get some oat milk so I don't die afterwards. I'm like generally worried for my health. Oh.
It's not even red, it's like black.
Okay.
I'm not interested.
You need to get it all out.
They look quite nice actually.
Yeah, they do. I just want it to be nice,
But I know in my brain what's going on.
the eyes are deceiving.
Yeah, I know what's happening there.
So this is how it's looking. Mine's looking extra spicy. Oh, look at the sound.
Wait,
Okay.
are we allowed to drink water? Is there like official rules? Looks like intestines that have been ripped out of a human body.
I actually don't want to put it in my mouth.
I want to tie my hair up.
Are we allowed to drink or not?
No, if you
Okay.
drink, that's your way of forfeiting, okay?
Okay, we need to introduce you guys. Hi, we're gonna do a spicy noodle challenge. These are my friends. You've probably already seen Emma.
Yes.
And this is Scott.
Doesn't hurt my feelings.
You can introduce yourself.
I'm a YouTuber as well. Got 15 million followers, something like that.
He hasn't. Okay.
You ready?
No, especially because people are watching us. Oh,
ready?
no, wait, I need to
Cheers.
get on my knees. No.
Ready?
Wait,
Are we
so
gonna
we're not
cheers?
allowed to drink?
I think
We're not allowed to drink?
Smells horrible.
we'll drink. We'll drink.
No, no drink.
No drink?
No
Okay.
drink. No drinking.
Cheers.
I'm already gonna cry.
Wait, so it's a competition
Yeah.
and it's whoever finishes first.
Yeah.
Okay, wait,
I don't
can
wanna do
I
it
get
anymore.
some on my thing ready?
Yeah.
Okay,
Can we just dry swallow?
No.
No, you have to chew.
Have to chew. I have my drinks ready just in
Okay.
case. Oh, I've just itched my eye.
Are you okay?
Already, I've fucking done it wrong.
Does it hurt?
Yeah. How have I done that fucking quickly?
It's because it's all around the edge, isn't it? 3.
I'm
Wait,
really
wait,
bad.
wait. Right, great. So now I'm going to be blind in one eye for the sake of YouTube.
Do you want to blink in some water?
I just put a little bit of water in my eye.
Don't be.
Don't put more.
So I'll just
How
keep
are you
that.
guys going to do it? Like a lot or?
I'm gonna do like.
I'm not going to slurp it. This motherfucker ain't touching. Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay.
This ain't touching my lips because that's when
Really?
it's going to get hot. That's when it's going to get hot. When you don't lick your lips.
No. I thought-
So get it like that and try and avoid all lippage,
Okay,
if that makes sense.
it does, but I don't think it's going to work.
Strictly no lippage rule.
That's bad.
Big
3.
amount.
I know. No. Okay, wait.
Okay, 3, 2, 1,
no,
go.
2, 1.
I can feel it already.
Me too. Ow. Oh no. It hurts.
I can feel it already.
It really hurts. Ow. I'm not gonna have any taste buds for the next like year.
How fucking good.
It actually tastes kind of nice.
No, come on.
Scott, you can't.
Come on.
I've got them stuck in my
Have you
throat.
given up?
My eyes are watering now.
Don't.
Ah! Fuck.
It hurts to breathe.
It's actually.
It tastes good, but it's...
Oh no.
Ow.
You're not.
It's making me gag, guys. It's making me gag.
Ah.
It's like all good. Oh fuck.
I can't do it.
I've got hiccups.
Mm.
Oh. Oh fuck.
I don't think I can take another mouth. Are we going?
Fuck.
I really want some water.
Come on.
How's it not hurting your throat?
Oh, I can't do it.
Stop!
I'm trying. Okay? Can I use tissues to wipe my eyes?
Yeah.
Ah. I don't want to do this to myself.
And it's stuck in my braces.
How are you doing that so easily?
I'm crying, but
I can't. My throat hurts too much.
Woo.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
You forfeiting.
My lips are really fat.
My
You know when girls get, when people get fillers? Is it fillers?
Yeah, yeah.
I've got fillers.
I feel like my throat's going to close away anymore.
I can't do it. Can someone finish so I can quit? Please.
I want to quit as well. I don't want.
There's so much of it.
Okay, you quit first, then I'll quit. Please, please, please.
I've only had 2 and I'm already.
You want a bite?
Try one time. Maybe you can finish it quickly.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I want to eat some like.
Can we drink?
I didn't think I was going to be that bad.
Drink, can we drink? Drink, 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 yeah.
Oh my
Water
god.
makes it even worse, usually.
What?
Water makes it worse.
Okay.
I think it's burning my stomach.
Oh my god, Emma, you're such a trooper. How long is it going to hurt?
I'm not even drinking, I'm just letting my lips sit in the milk.
Oh, I need some milk.
Somebody, oh!
He needs some milk.
Finish it.
Mmm.
So nice.
Yeah, go for it, girl.
Oh, milk is so nice. Oh, I feel like I just tasted heaven.
It's gotten worse.
It's making me want to fucking throw up.
How can it make you want to throw up though?
It's just too spicy, it's like
It hurts. It
it
just.
hurts my heart.
Oh.
Makes me feel sad.
I don't want you to have a heart attack. Milk really helps, but my lips hurt and my throat. I'm not eating anymore. I gave up. You had 1, I had 2.
I had 1.
I've had
Your
about
eyes
5.
are all red.
I can't do that.
It feels like it's coming out my ears.
Fair play to anyone that does more than 2 mouthfuls.
Yeah. It feels like you're trapped in your own body. And you're like, it's coming out, it's trying to come out your ears.
I just want to.
It feels dangerous.
How the fuck
Probably isn't.
are you doing that? That's mental. You're psychotic.
It's getting worse.
It is actually crazy, I can't believe. She's had almost all of it. I
Oh
gave
no,
up
my
after
nose.
2, to be fair, really big mouthfuls.
I did 1.
My
One
lip-
tiny mouthful.
Ow, my lips, when I touch my lips together, it hurts even more.
I did 1 mouthful.
I gave up.
I did 1 mouthful.
How bad is it?
Come here and have some.
I did 1 mouthful.
It's not that bad.
1 mouthful. Come on, man.
This is Connor. Doesn't think it's gonna be that bad. Doesn't think.
Not that bad.
It's fucked up. I can't do it.
Once you swallow it, I feel it in my throat.
Okay, that's it for me. I can't have any more.
It is hot. Fuck.
Oh,
Yeah.
It's
yeah. Oh.
My lips have gone numb. I had 1 mouthful. My lips
I'm
have
glad
gone
I beat
tingling.
you, but
My
I
lips
think I
have gone
might be winner.
Emma's the winner.
Yeah, I think I came last.
That's Emma's bowl. That's mine. That's Scott's.
Mine looks like it's got less than yours. Maybe you started with more. Yeah, you beat me either way. I only had 1 mouthful.
I think I had 2, right? Yeah, I can look back.
I think, yeah, 2 big ones.
Good job, Emma. You win
Emma,
a
that's
box of
fucking-
goon. Do you want a box of goon?
Sure.
I can buy
if
you.
you're offering.
Fair play to you. That is
Yeah.
well impressive because I did 1 mouthful. The moment I put it in, I could feel it. And I got really sad really quick. Really quick, guys.
Yeah.
I'm not even, it's not even spiced tears.
Oh.
I'm just upset.
You okay?
Yeah, it's just hot. It's burning me.
Does it hurt your throat?
No, it's just my tongue and my stomach.
It hurt my throat, so that made me like, what if I'm gonna die if I eat more?
I just like the water rushing across my lips. I did say I wasn't
That
given spicy
sound.
food. Right, well I think we all did a pretty
Yeah.
good job there. That wasn't a waste of money.
The taste is nice. I mean, I feel like I want another one, just a
Right.
little bit, but I feel like I'm gonna regret that. But the taste is good, it's just the spice that's not.
I knew I was going to fail going into that. So I'm glad I didn't big myself up. 'Cause
No, I thought I would go and fail.
that's the hottest thing I've ever put in my mouth. Genuinely.
The flavour's good and then the spice kicks in and it's
How
just
did you
not
do that?
enjoyable.
How did you do that?
I could probably fit. No, I'm not gonna say that.
How did you do that?
You could
You don't even look like you're suffering.
I mean, I shedded 1 tear and that was it.
Looks like you're a bit sweaty. Sorry if that
I
wasn't.
just don't want to touch my face.
Who do you think, who's gonna be the most cocky with this?
Well, that they can hack it.
Or maybe.
No, would be too scared.
Lil might.
Oh yeah.
Lil will be like,
What the fuck, man?
you'll go.
That ain't spicy.
I mean, give
We
it
look
half
like
an
we're
hour.
hiding in a small room. Oh, technically we are. Oh. I couldn't even swallow it. I don't know how you swallowed it at the beginning. I couldn't
You had a
physically swallow
proper,
it.
yeah.
I would, because it was so spicy. As I went to swallow, it was going.
Yeah.
My brain was like, no, you're not swallowing that today. Not today. Not on a Wednesday.
Tanya just tried some.
Try some of this.
Spicy noodle challenge.
Oh,
I'm a bit no.
Scott almost threw up.
Actually, I really don't like spicy food. I
Try it.
yeah, but I will try for you. How was for you?
It was bad. I could have 2 mouthfuls and then I couldn't. I felt like my throat was gonna like close in.
Preparation for the challenge.
Emma won. She almost finished it all. How do you feel?
It's spicy, but it's not the worst one that I tried.
Oh my god. Go Tanya.
Oh, but now I feel it.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's kind of. Oh.
How is? No? Okay.
And then we turn the camera off and she comments. Just chew it.
Do you like spicy food?
I really like spicy food, yeah.
Was that okay though?
Huh?
Do you want some more?
I'll have some more.
There's a whole bowl of that.
There's lots there.
Stuff there.
Fine.
Yeah?
I'll show you how big I can be.
Okay. Oh my god.
Jamie!
Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do.
How about that? Oh, that's hot.
Is it the hottest thing you've had?
No,
No?
that is the hottest thing I've had.
Oh.
You haven't had it though, so.
It's hitting you now. I'm gonna have a big mouth.
How are you coping? You got some chili around your mouth as well. You're gonna
Is
keep
it red?
it. Yeah, just a little bit. Don't wipe
I
it
feel
though,
like I've gone
because
cold turkey.
there's the sad loser.
You can have more. Not spicy.
I feel like this is like one of those prank things.
Did you swallow it whole? That's why. You need to.
That's hot as fuck, and I swallowed it.
Oh my god, it smells. I mean, the flavour's nice,
It is, and then it kicks in.
I swallowed it, and that was enough.
Yeah.
But then when you chew it, you get a bit too much. It's all fat, wow. It's alcohol.
Oh no.
It says no.
Are you still feeling like a big boy? But Chris is going for it.
It's hot.
Try some of this.
Have some spicy noodle.
Spicy noodle.
Have
My
some.
salad is way more
Have
spicy.
some
Do you
more.
wanna try
Have
my
some
chili?
more.
Do you want to try my
Diego
chili?
thinks it's.
Diego don't give a fuck.
No,
Yeah,
Diego's
give a
hard.
fuck.
I can see your veins coming out. And me and Rebecca conked out in seconds. Literally seconds.
I coloured my hair. Scott has decided to colour my hair as well, so you can say I'm a trendsetter. He's going to bleach his hair and he's got brown hair now, so I'm going to take you guys along on this journey because I think it could be quite funny. Hello.
I'm not wearing the bandana.
This is what we have to work with.
I can't wait.
Yeah, like you have darker than him.
Sweet. Can we all keep giving me reasons why this is a bad idea? While I'm getting it done.
We're going to look so cool.
You're gonna look really.
Jamie's going to bleach his hair now. His birthday boy.
Oh my god, stop filming it!
So basically today, what's the secret?
This is what I did when I shaved it. I just didn't really think about it very much, and then I regretted it.
Could you
Yeah, what happened to my usual part? I don't mean to be rude.
She died. Yeah. Really sad.
Okay. You sure you know what you're doing?
Of course, yes.
What colour?
Bleaching.
Like yellow, but then you can put a toner in to make it.
Have we got toner?
No.
Not yet.
You can put toner in, but
You can put one. We've got purple shampoo.
Let's do pink hair, that would be cool. Purple is the same thing.
Not really, but.
Put a little bit in your mouth. Right. Don't move.
I'm so sorry. Don't just...
Right, that's it in now, honey. No, don't tilt forward. Now wipe
What are
it.
you doing? Just a little spot?
No, because then you massage it in like this. How? It's gonna get a lot hotter. You're our idol, honey. We all want to look like you.
We just saw you.
So I did film a video where I showed the final result of Scott's hair, but this is just gonna have to do. He looks like a little chicken. It's our new nickname for him. Okay, this is your hair. How do you feel?
Sad, but I sort of got over it by now.
So just sad you regret it?
Well, I can just cut it off, so...
That's very true.
Kind of.
I feel like I think it smells alright.
You're a bin bird.
Okay, ready? Wait, it's on focus. Imagine if it was like that for the whole video. Something's telling us to not.
Yeah, maybe we shouldn't do it.
So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, even though it was kind of all over the place. But now a lot of you have been wanting to get to know a few of the people who live here at the hostels. So yeah, Hope you enjoyed it, and if you aren't following my socials, please do. I upload every Sunday, sometimes on a Wednesday. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give